How to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on Android. Hi everybody. In order to fix Bluetooth audio device or delay on Android, you could start by restarting your phone. So hold on to your side button and then restart it. That might be able to solve. At the same time, you also want to make sure to restart your Bluetooth device, maybe an AirPod or maybe a Bluetooth sound speaker, whatever you're trying to connect. Do the same thing, and next you also need to ensure your device are within the Bluetooth range and that there is no large object or other electronic causing interference as well. After which, what you could do is go to settings on your device, and then here comes the connections. So come to the connections tab, and then here you have these pair a new device. Make sure to pair a new device, or maybe you could refresh it. If that is not working out, then you could go to reset. So for that, you want to scroll down, and then on this page you want to look for system. So here it is. You want to scroll down, go to reset option. Make sure to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and tap on it. This is going to help you out as well. Other than that, you also want to make sure that both your phone and a Bluetooth headphones or devices are fully charged, as low batteries can impact performance as well. So this way, or by trying these steps, you will be able to fix Bluetooth audio delay issue on your Android. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.